This video demonstrates how the IOTech AI-Ready Platform for buildings transforms modern facilities management and provides a single open software architecture to connect your whole portfolio. The foundational challenges in building automation that we directly solve include multi-vendor BMS fragmentation, with siloed systems often running for heating, ventilation, lighting, and so on. AI platforms need real data. Without live normalized data feeds, AI analysis is unreliable or incomplete. Trying to solve this with custom or point-to-point integration of different systems is expensive and does not scale. The IOTech AI-Ready Platform for buildings solves these challenges and furthermore lets you deploy the solution seamlessly and at huge scale across your fleet. For this demo, we're simulating two BACnet BMS devices from different vendors running in separate zones. They track points like air temperature, CO2 levels, occupancy, and power consumption. The demo will show how built-in haystack-based tagging can help apply context when different vendors use different names for similarly named points. The platform collects and normalizes this BMS data. BACnet is just one of the many protocols and integrations that are supported. The platform can visualize the ingested data, run edge rules, and perform control as we'll show. It also supports streaming to any cloud and AI platform. Let's see it in action. First, we sign into the cloud-hosted IOTech Edge Manager. Onboarding a new gateway node is as simple as running this single command to register it instantly. Once accepted into the system of managed nodes, we can see activity on the node and connect a direct shell if needed. In Edge Manager, we can define applications. We have an IOTech Edge Central application that defines which specific services to run for each building. Here we choose the BACnet service and services for rules, dashboarding, and cloud streaming. We can configure these services with any specific provisioning information such as edge rules to run, or the credentials for cloud streaming. We can now push this application down to our new node, but it could be to as many nodes as we like. This is how you can really manage a portfolio of buildings and their applications at huge scale. We can now send the instruction to start the application. We can view and monitor the running software services and connect to the Edge Central UI. The port forwarding feature means that everything is accessed through the single remote Edge Manager console. Edge Central has rich data acquisition capabilities. Let's run BACnet Discovery to find and then automatically onboard the two BMS devices. Here we can see the two discovered devices are now added. Data flows automatically via on-demand reads, user-defined polling, or BACnet change of value updates. This data can be viewed immediately via built-in Edge dashboards. These are totally configurable by the user and allow you to spot trends or device defects in real time. The data can be processed at the edge to help drive immediate ROI. We can run rules, for example, to automatically switch lighting to an energy-saving mode during low occupancy. The platform has powerful streaming capabilities to any cloud like AWS, Google, or Azure, or any AI platforms like Atrius and Bueno that can make advanced cost-saving and optimization insights using the data. We can easily apply filters and transformations to ensure we send exactly the data we want and in the exact format and structure needed. To help apply specific context to each data point, our built-in AI suggests automated haystack-based naming tags that can be applied. For example, the main CO2 level for different sources across the portfolio can be consistently tagged as Zone CO2. This will be added to the data payload that is received in the cloud. Finally, the platform has a super advanced edge alarms capability with easy-to-model alarm conditions, such as critical CO2 levels. The triggered alarms can be automatically sent to different destinations, including the cloud, email, and SMS. Thank you for watching. We've seen just a snapshot of the capabilities here, but IOTech makes scaling edge AI across your building portfolio both simple and efficient. For more information, visit iotechsys.com.